Hello delicious, today we're gonna do a spicy skillet lasagna. The ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe is lasagna noodles, salt, pepper and garlic cloves, rosemary, oregano, basil, our salami, marinara sauce, tomatoes, our cayenne pepper, beef, onion, our provolone, and our mozzarella. In our skillet, we're gonna cook our salami at medium heat for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add in our onions and our beef. When our meat is cooked, we're gonna add in our spices. Cook with the spices for 2 minutes. We're gonna break the lasagna noodles in two, then put them in a bowl. So now we're gonna put in our noodles and we're gonna add in water and we're gonna let it cook until the noodles are al dente. For the next step, please put the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna add in our marinara sauce and our tomatoes to the lasagna. Now we're going to put the cheese on the top, then we're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.